Hi everybody, it's Lisa. So I'm about to do a video, but I thought I'd give you a little tour of my workspace. It is a workspace that's very messy. I do clean it up, but I just wanted to show you the reality of how my workspace looks because I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube that show perfection in junk journaling and mixed media art. And I am not that person. And I think most of you probably work in messy spaces as well. So I just wanted to show you the reality of it before I did my video, because I think a lot of us strive to be perfect or look perfect, and that's not real life. At least for me, it's not. What I'm working on right here is little Happy Mail folders made out of junk mail. And I'm going to show you what I made. I made 6 of them so far, and they're stuffed with all sorts of goodies and ephemera and papers and stickers and stuff like that, because I am going to my first junk journal retreat next week, and I'm super excited about it. And they asked that we make little gifts for the other people that are attending. It's going to be north of me, around 3.5, 4 hours north of me in northern Florida, in a place called Mount Dora. And it's going to be hosted by Twisted Paper Studios. Her name is Donna. She's on YouTube and Instagram and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how I made these. I thought I would be really to the theme of junk journal stuff. So let me set up my little camera in the tripod and I'll show you what I do. So what I have here is probably the easiest thing I ever made. It's these little pockets made from regular discarded junk mail. So there's the top pocket right here, which I've put in some papers. And then there's the middle pocket right here, which I put in a bunch of papers and stamps. Super easy to make. I decorated the front of each of them. And I put a little sticker that says "For You." And so far I made 6 of them. So let me show you how to make this. It's unbelievably easy. I saw it on Instagram, and let's get started. So you take an envelope just like so, and you seal it. So if there's any gummy part on it, you can wet it and stuff like that. You seal it and you fold it just like so. Since this is not really sealed that great, see, it did seal a little bit down there. I'm going to add some glue real quick. And I just put the glue on the edges. And it doesn't matter if it's ripped at all, because it's going to be hidden. So you seal it like so. And then you fold. So you have the window up here. And you figure out where you want the fold to end. I want it to end right there. And before I do anything else, before I glue anything, I'm going to rip off an opening for the top, just like so. Just rip it. And then I'm going to rip off on here for the other pocket. And I like the grungy rip look. I mean, I suppose if you want, you can use scissors, but I like this because it looks grungy. Now, I think this is fine. I'm going to glue down this entire piece to here. So you just put glue on it. Make sure you get the edges nice. I'm not using glue stick because I want this to last for a while. And when you glue, just make sure everything lines up really nicely on the sides. And you can just scrape it down like that. I started to do this one as well. I'm going to go ahead and glue this one since I have to. I'm not really sure about the number I have to make because I think someone might have dropped out, but I think we're still going to be sending her a little care package. Somebody got injured and they don't think they're going to make it to the retreat. So I'm going to still make her something, and I believe Donna will send her a little care package because she knows this lady. Yeah, it would suck to injure yourself before a retreat. I'm just pray that I don't get sick because I'm driving my car up next week, and the last thing I want to do is I don't get sick a lot, but you know, Murphy's Law, you're going to get sick before you go, but I'll keep positive power thinking that I won't get sick. Okay, so this one's glued, and you know, I could have inked this top. I could have done a bunch of inking beforehand, before I glued. Maybe it would have made it a bit easier. It really doesn't matter because I'm going to ink the final product anyway. I didn't decorate the backs because I figure keep it junky. Someone can also paste it into a journal, so it'd be kind of silly to ink the back. But, you know, that's optional. You can always ink the back of this if you want to. Right now, I'm more concerned about decorating the front versus inking the back. That's pretty minor. I mean, you know, covering the back with paper. Okay. All right. I'm using this ink here. I don't like it. It's almost dry, and I'm hoping to use it up. So now we get to the decorating part. Super easy. I mindlessly decorated all these other ones I did yesterday. It took me probably a little over an hour. Just got my stickers out. I got all sorts of stuff that I'm going to include. So I have a little scrap here, scrappy paper. So I'm just going to go ahead and start decorating. It's just seriously just simple collaging, really. So I hope everybody is doing good. I was on vacation last week. We went to the Keys, and my son came in, and I have 3 sons. And then my other son who lives with us, we all went to the Keys with my husband, and we had a really nice time. It was like probably the first real vacation I had since before COVID, which is terrible, but it's true. Need to get out more. Well, because some of you might know, I moved here in Florida in 2022 and underwent some serious renovations in the property. So I haven't really done a lot because I had to move out of my house, stuff like that. I'm going to put a little decorating up here. It's totally optional. Just to get rid of some of the white space. I mean, there's going to be stuff in the pockets anyway. I just like to do it. I actually find it easier to glue with regular glue than the glue stick. Excuse me. So anyway, I'm going to put a little label on all of them. You know, I've been saying for you and stuff like that. I have a little stamp of little images. I'll stamp it later. And I got a ton of pretty things. I think I'm going to make this like a purple theme. So we got this flower. I was going to use that earlier. This purple flower. And let me see if I can figure out something else to put in here that would look nice. You think I have enough stickers? This is only one container of stickers. I have a ton, trust me. What do you know? I didn't have to struggle with peeling. These washi tape stickers actually peel very nicely. Have any of you been to a retreat? I've never done this before. I'm a little nervous, actually, but I think it's going to be so much fun because I'm going to be with like-minded people doing junk journaling, and I guess we're going to do a complete journal while we're there, which is going to be wonderful. And so I'm pretty excited about it, to say the least. Okay, I'm going to add, this might be too big. Let's do the for you. For you. And then I'm going to go over it in black pen. I always seem to work at a messy desk. I do clean up. I really do, because even I can't work in such a mess all the time. Okay, I think I'm just going to leave it just like that and put a little stamping in there. I got this little butterfly. It's really cute. Let's see. Some black ink. And a bit of washi. I'm going to get some purple washi. And there we go. Really cute. So I'm just going to stuff it with some papers. Let's see what I got. I got this stuff called Medieval Garden. I'll put some of those in the back. And they're going to fit really nicely right up here, watch. And I got some of these papers. Two of those. Without ripping them. That in that pocket. Have some, let's do some tags. Let's see what we got here. Some tags. Then I have some maps I want to include. And get this really nice vellum. different ones here. Go. And it makes really cute Happy Mail. I have some stamps. I made these stamps in a previous video. If you're interested in learning how to do these, it's so simple. I'll link the video. Actually, I'll link the video at the end of this video if you're interested in learning how to make these stamps, because they're so much fun and they're so easy. Trust me, they're easy. So I'll link that video here. And yeah, I'm done. Nice little Happy Mail pocket, double pocket. Make it out of junk mail, just like this. I have other sizes because I want to make some bigger pockets. I have some wider pockets I'm going to make. But I'm going to make another one with this one that I glue down off camera. And hopefully I could do some video at the retreat. We'll see. We'll see if the other ladies want to be on camera, or maybe I can just do some interior shots. I have to be, you know, really mindful of people's privacy. So I will try to do video at the retreat. I don't know if I can though. So we'll see how it goes. And I might be too busy too, but if other people don't mind being on camera, I'll do some video at the retreat, the junk journaling retreat. I'm so excited to go. And that's it. I thought I'd just pop on and show you this quick video to make really nice Happy Mail pockets from junk mail. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you can give me a like, a thumbs up on this video, it always helps, and a subscribe is always greatly appreciated. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.